Valves are tools that direct, control, and regulate the flow of fluid. They can allow or interrupt the flow, regulate the flow, or pressure rate. And their body has an inlet and outlet port, inside of which there is a moving element for flow regulation or interruption. In this video, we'll explain how butterfly valves work. Butterfly valve gets its name from the shape of the plug and how it moves. The plug is disc-shaped, and the stem passing through it reminds of a butterfly. To obstruct the flowing, the disc makes a 90-degree rotation on the normal axis to that of the piping run, like a butterfly's wings. The flow comes to a full stop when the disc sealing presses against the seat on the inside diameter of the valve body. Most valves are soft-seated in elastomeric material, against which the disc seals. If the butterfly valve is designed for extreme conditions, it consists of two metal sealing rings, one in the plug and one in the seat. The stem has hermetic seals. That can be the stuffing box with some pecking gland or O-ring seals, in order to avoid leaks, contaminating the liquid, or to impede that the liquid corrodes the interior mechanical parts of the valve. The butterfly valve body construction varies in the ways they are joined. Double flanged valve. Two bored flanges ensure a free connection of the flanged pipes by bolts. The wafer-style valve, or centering through holes, allow to use the same bolts for both pipes. The lug-style valve. Multiple threaded centering bores secure the valve with several bolts and no nuts. The butt welding ends valve. Both ends of the valve body are welding ready to be joined to the pipes. The butterfly valve is a rotary motion valve, which means that 1/4 turn of the disc is enough to fully open or fully close the flow. This is also why it's called a fast-acting valve. If the valve is big, it is actuated by a hand wheel connected to the stem through a gear train, increasing the torque and making the tightening easier at the expense of speed. Instead of a lever or a hand wheel, many valves use actuators that can be electromechanical with an electric motor, or pneumatic actuators with a pneumatic piston. Butterfly valve is well suited for handling large flows of liquids or gases at relatively low pressures or at high temperatures, and for handling slurries or liquids with large amounts of suspended solids. They are often used in water and even oil pipelines. They are also a common part in internal combustion engines in both carburetor and throttle body for regulation of air and mixture of flow rate.